Hello friends, welcome to Open Source DB Expert channel. Today as a part of this video, we will be discussing what is the CAP theorem or Brewer's theorem. Okay friends, CAP theorem or Brewer's theorem, both will be same friends. CAP means consistency, availability and partition tolerant. Okay friends, let's start the video. Here we have some slides friends. Okay, CAP theorem. As per theoretical computer science, the CAP theorem is also named as Brewer's theorem. So CAP theorem and Brewer's theorem both will be same friends. Okay. Actually Eric Brewer, he was a computer scientist friends. As per his words, there is no distributed data store will support simultaneously these three guarantees, which are consistency, availability and partition tolerant. Only you can achieve two guarantees. It can be consistency, availability, or it can be availability and partition tolerant, or it can be consistency and partition tolerant. Okay, you can achieve only two guarantees. Okay friends, according to University of California, this Eric Brewer's CAP theorem first time appeared in autumn 1998. Later it was again published in the year 1999 at PODC. PODC means Principles of Distributed Computing. Later it was again published in the year 2002 at MIT with formal proof. Okay friends, okay, as per his words, there is no database will support simultaneously consistency, availability and partition tolerant. Three guarantees. Only you can achieve two guarantees only. It can be relational databases or it can be NoSQL databases. Okay friends. So what is meant by consistency and what is meant by availability and partition tolerant? So it is all about the data friends, data consistency. Okay, can we see all nodes same data all at a time? Means data consistency. Suppose if you do writes on primary, can we read the same data on secondary? Availability, can all nodes be read from and write to at all times? Means suppose primary secondary is there, primary you can do writes and secondary you can do writes. Okay, then both servers are available. Suppose primary and secondary is there, primary can do writes and secondary can do only reads. If primary goes down, can we read and write on secondary server? It's not possible like that. What about partition tolerant? Will nodes function normally even when the cluster breaks? Means when cluster breaks or node fail or replication fail or whatever it happen, all nodes functions should normally should work. Means application should not goes down. That's what this meaning. Okay, partition tolerant. So consistency is important, availability is also important and partition tolerant also. Three guarantees also important, but unfortunately you cannot achieve three guarantees at a time. Okay friends. Okay. So what about consistency? Means as you said, consistency is nothing but all nodes see the same data at a time. So once we write the data on primary, all nodes should have the same data on secondary. Okay friends. In the same way, availability also it is very important friends. When primary goes down, we should read and write on secondary. Okay. In the same way, in case of anything went wrong, application should not goes down. It can be DNS not working, even it can be network failure or any node failure or cluster failure or whatever it may be. Application should not goes down. Okay friends. Consistency is important, availability also important, as well as partition tolerant also important. Okay friends. Now we will see what are the databases comes under which category. Consistency and partition tolerant will be good in Couchbase and MongoDB. Even Redis also comes under CP only, consistency and partition tolerant. Availability and partition tolerant will be very good in Apache HBase, Cassandra. If you are using HDCR, means cross data center replication, you can achieve availability and partition tolerant. If you are not using HDCR in Couchbase side, you cannot achieve consistency. Okay friends. Even Amazon DynamoDB, CouchDB also comes under AP only, availability and partition tolerant. All RDBMS databases comes under CA, consistency and availability. MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, MS SQL, DB2, all relational databases comes under CA only friends. Okay. CP means Couchbase, MongoDB, Redis. AP means Apache HBase, Cassandra, DynamoDB, CouchDB. Even if you are using HDCR, Couchbase also comes under AP only. All relational databases comes under CP only friends. Okay. Same only here we have discussed. CP consistent and partition tolerant, Couchbase, MongoDB, Redis. Availability and partition tolerant, Apache HBase, Cassandra, Couchbase with HDCR, and Amazon DynamoDB also comes under this only. Consistency and partition tolerant will be good in Couchbase, MongoDB, even Redis also comes under this category only, friends. Okay. Okay friends, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and activate bell icon for more updates, friends. Okay. Okay friends, bye.